Welcome food lovers! My name is Joy, and with this channel I want to share my love for Filipino food with you. I started cooking Filipino recipes when I was 12 years old to help my parents while working around the farm. In today's video, we will make mackerel adobo, known in Tagalog as galunggong. This recipe is one of my favorite fish Filipino dishes. Fish adobo is very easy to prepare. This recipe should take you 30 minutes of total preparation time. For this recipe, we will need 30 ounces of mackerel, gutted and clean, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 cup of butter, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of whole peppercorn, 5 dried bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of chili, this is optional, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, a pinch of sugar, also optional. First, we will start by rubbing salt all over the fish. Including the inner cavity. I use sea salt for this. If you decide to use table salt or iodized salt, I recommend using less. Let the salt be absorbed for about 15 minutes while preparing the other ingredients. Arrange the fish in the 12 inches casserole. And turn the heat on medium. Pour in the water and soy sauce. Cover to bring to a boil. Add the garlic, peppercorn, ginger, and bay leaves. Cook uncovered for about 5 minutes. You can now add the vinegar and the chili. You can also add optional sugar here. Cover the casserole for about 20 minutes until the fish starts flaking. It's best served immediately while it's still hot. And if there are some leftovers, you can always make fish fried rice adobo. If you want to know how to make fried rice, you can click on the link to above and substitute the chicken with fish adobo. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video. Thank you and enjoy your meal.